Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and I know it's been so long that I have posted a video. I'm sorry for that because I was occupied in certain stuff, so I wasn't able to upload, but now I am back. And today what I'm going to do today is I'm going to review a most overhyped product that I have seen on YouTube. Okay, and I know this is a overhyped product because it literally did nothing to my skin, and on the contrary it did some damage to my skin as well. So I know this is an overhyped product, and I also know that some of you might get triggered that, oh, this product is my holy grail and this works best for me. I know it works for some people, but it truly didn't do anything for me. Okay, so that's why I'm making this video, and if you're interested, keep on watching the video, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. It means a lot to me. So without any further ado, let's get started. So yes, the product that I'm talking about is this Klairs freshly juiced vitamin drop. Okay, it has pure vitamin C essence, Centella asiatica extracts, yuzu extracts, and grapefruit extracts. This product, okay, why I bought this product was because it was so hyped on YouTube that every single YouTuber, like most of the YouTubers, were saying that this is the great product, and YouTube literally convinced me to buy this product. And I was literally thinking like, oh my god, I just need this product in my skincare regime and my skin will get flawless and whatnot. And I was so much influenced by seeing the reviews of this product that I was like, no, I need to try this. Okay, but there's always a saying that everything that shines isn't gold. So yeah, I guess this is true about the product as well. So yeah, let's get started. So this is a 35 ml of bottle which costed rupees 1500, which is very expensive, and even if you get discount you will get it for like 1300 rupees, which is quite expensive. So think before you buy this product, because it may or may not work for you and then your money will get wasted, and we don't want that. Okay, so it is Klairs freshly juiced vitamin drops with pure vitamin C essence, Centella asiatica extracts, yuzu extracts, and grapefruit extracts. Okay, it has these extracts in it. Okay, and the product, what does the product claim? The product claim that it will stimulate collagen production and improve skin tone and texture without harsh irritation. So it's basically saying that it will improve your skin tone, it will also improve the texture of your skin, and it will vitamin C in common will make your skin a little bit brighter. I'm not talking about skin lightening, I'm telling that it will make your skin little brighter, because when there are no dark spots, your skin is even toned, your skin will definitely look fresh and good. Okay, so that's what it claims, and it is for all skin types. Okay, so this is what it claims. And now opening the package, this is the bottle that you get. This is the 35 ml of bottle. So as you can see, my product has turned yellow, and when the product turns yellow, you don't need to use it. It will cause certain irritation, or it is not good for the skin. Okay, basically you don't need to use it when it turns yellow. So make sure you keep it in a dark and cool place, because if it is exposed to more and more light, it will oxidize even more quickly. So make sure you keep it in a dark and cool place, and once it turns yellow, don't use it. Okay, otherwise it can cause certain irritation to your skin, or it can even damage your skin. So that's the thing. And yeah, so that's, and coming to its directions, it is said that apply a proper amount over the face. Apply a proper amount over the face and neck in the morning and evening. In case of sensitive skin, apply a mixture of 1 or 2 drops with serum or cream. Okay, so this is how we need to use this product. So this product right here has like 5% of ascorbic acid in it, which is like vitamin C in it, and that's why it is like really in its potent form, and you need to apply a moisturizer on top of it, otherwise your skin will get dry. Okay, so make sure you do this. And also, whenever you are using a vitamin C serum, make sure you wear sunscreen every day, because when you are using vitamin C on your face, your skin becomes little more sensitive towards the sun, and that's why you need to apply sunscreen every single day. Okay, so there's, if you want to use this product, apply sunscreen or just don't use it, or your skin will become extra sensitive and you will, more damage will done to your skin rather than, you know, healing your skin, more damage will be done to your skin. So remember to wear a sunscreen as well. So now coming to my experience, I started using it with just 1 to 2 drops a day, because I thought like it is better to start from like a little amount. Who knows if you get sensitive, you know, if you have sensitive skin or you get reacted to certain product. So I started using it in small quantity. At first I started using 1 to 2 drops. I used to, you know, take it out in my hand and just rub it between my palms and then apply on my face. And also I also topped it with moisturizer. Okay, for 1-2 days it was quite okay, but then I started feeling a little dry. Okay, I literally started feeling dry on my skin. So I was like maybe the, you know, I'm not applying enough moisturizer. Then I mixed this product with my moisturizer. It didn't work, my skin was still feeling dry. Then I topped it with my moisturizer, then also my skin was feeling dry. I literally mixed it with my facial oil, and then also my skin was feeling dry. Okay, I don't know why. I have combination skin, my skin shouldn't feel that dry, but this product right here was making my skin super dry. You know, usually when I touch my skin, it's like it's usually soft and supple, but that time when I was touching my skin, it was literally feeling so rough that I can't even tell you. Okay, I tried every single thing that I could do to, you know, make this product work, but it didn't just work for me. Okay, and the worst part is that firstly I was thinking like it's vitamin C, it may, you know, it may irritate my skin a little bit, or it can make my skin a little bit drier. It's just my assumption, or I'm just exaggerating it. But then I started getting dark patches. Okay, you can see I even use it on my hands, and if you can see, I have some dark patch over here also, because I tried to use it with my body lotion and applied it all over my hands, and it gave dry patches over here as well. So I don't know what the product is doing. Okay, and it is written that it is for all skin types. I mean, hello, it's not. Like, I have combination skin and it is not even working for me. I think this product is going to work only for like oily skin type people. I don't even know. I have seen people raving about it, that oh my god, this is their holy grail product, and this is the only product that they need, and this is one of the best vitamin C serums available available all over the place. But come on, I don't feel this. It is expensive, and secondly, it didn't do anything for me. It dried out my skin. It gave, you know, I even got small bumps on my face, which was like, oh my god, I was so frustrated by that. I was literally worried about my skin that time. I was like, I have ruined my skin, and nothing is going to work on my skin anymore. And this is what this product did to my skin. So before buying it, please think at least twice before buying this. I know people have, you know, there are few people for whom this product has worked, but it didn't work for me. Okay, I am literally sorry for that, but it really didn't work for me. And yeah, that's it for today's video. And if you like my video, please like, share and subscribe to my channel. And yeah, till then, take care. Bye.